Kamusta, Dollies, and welcome back. AI, or artificial intelligence, has been blowing up this year. So today, why not test it to see if it can actually make us a Barbie dress? So here I am asking ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, to make us a simple Barbie dress. And within minutes of typing it in, it generated a step-by-step tutorial complete with measurements. Which is honestly amazing, too amazing that I initially thought he copied it from someone else. So I asked it exactly that, and he answered no. It's just based on his general understanding of sewing and dressmaking. So let's take his word for it and try making it. As you can see, it listed the materials we needed and the actual instruction. First step is to measure the doll's chest and waist. Barbie's chest is 5 inches, while the waist is 3.75 inches. Next, cut a rectangle fabric that is 6 inches wide and 8 inches long, which is too big for Barbie.
NANI?!
Clearly, that's a mistake. They did say AI is not accurate for the most part. So we're just gonna change it into 8 centimeters instead and adjust the width to 5 inches instead of 6. I also cut the skirt part, which is 12 inches wide and 10 centimeters long. And yes, this is also adjusted. Third step is to fold the bodice in half and sew the side together, leaving the top open. Do the same thing on the skirt. Next, attach the bodice to the skirt by sewing the top bodice to the top of the skirt. That's all it says, so I figured the excess skirt fabric can be pleated or gathered to fit the top bodice. I put it on the doll after, and as you can see, it's quite loose on her. So step 6. If desired, add elastic to the waistline for a fitted look. So with the garter, we are gonna stitch it around her waist. But I find that too hard to hand sew, and I don't have the patience, so I ended up changing to a different garter. I sew a casing for it around the waist, and here's how that turned out. There's also an option to add sleeves, but I'm just done at this point, and I don't think adding one will make this dress any better, so we'll just skip that part and move on to the last step, which is decorating the dress with lace or ribbon. I ended up using a pink lace to cover the waist and added velcro at the back. And there you have it, a Barbie dress created by an AI. It doesn't look too bad, and I can totally see Barbie wearing a gown like this, but the pattern is a mess and the instruction needs more work, at least in my opinion. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Will you make this for your Barbie? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to give this a like and subscribe. Until next time, paalam!